Hey guys, today I am here in Hiranandani Hill Crest, and this property is beautifully designed, and you all know that I really like interiors and home decor design. So while I was browsing through internet, I found this group which is Reminiscent Interior Design, and I really fell in love with the way they design the interiors. And when I got a call from them to check out the new property which they just finished, I jumped on the opportunity and I've come here to check out the property. So throughout this video, I'm going to take you to different nook and corners of this house, and I'm going to show you what an amazing job Reminiscence Interior Designs have done it. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm in the most important place of the house, which is kitchen. So this kitchen is a very spacious open kitchen, but initially they had two walls, one is here and one is over there, and that made this little smaller, but they've broken down the walls and they converted this space into a beautiful breakfast table. So this is very apt, very functional. You can grab your quick morning breakfast, and the lights on the top of this adds a perfect vibe for your evening dinner and parties. You can turn this table as a perfect bar for your house parties. So the entire kitchen is in two colors, which is white and teal, and this looks super classy and it just gives the bright feeling. So, and usually in the kitchen what happens when there is a corner, it will be mostly get wasted, but here they have strategically designed the storage in a way that every part of the kitchen is utilized and you get amazing storage. To start with, I love this magic corner. Look at this. You can easily slide out and slide in, and you can use this complete storage space. And I also love this oil pull shelf, so you can seamlessly pull it and put it back. So guys, as this is an open kitchen, and it becomes all the more important for us to take care of the exhaust fan and to put a proper chimney. Otherwise your house will end up smelling of food all the time. So this chimney is a self-cleaning chimney, and so basically once you cook food, all the oil will be collected in this space, and you can just pull this out and clean it. And also, if you notice, the exhaust fan is totally concealed throughout the interior, so that it gives a complete clean look in the entire kitchen. And the next is the kitchen top. So this kitchen hob is inbuilt in this thing, so you will not see any kind of a wiring, and also it's very easy to clean. Also, the electric knobs are so functional, and if you can notice, you will not see any of the wiring inside because everything is inbuilt behind the shelf, and it becomes super neat. And if you want to switch on, switch off, they've given an extra switch over here, so that's how you can switch on and switch off. So they put the water purifier in the shelf and they've concealed it, so it looks super neat. And also the outlet of the water purifier directly goes into the kitchen, so everything is super planned and executed in a more strategic way to give that clean vibe into the kitchen. So guys, the last thing is this utility space, and this entire section is very well planned. So this part is for the fridge, and this is for the microwave, and then here is the storage. We have this wicker baskets for your vegetables, and this is such a smart idea. So guys, I'm in the living room, and I totally love the vibe of this place. First of all, it's very spacious, and the interiors are so on the point, and the aesthetics are like amazing. The lamination is so perfectly aligned with the interiors, and if you see the storage space here, these are like easy slide ones, and you can push back with minimal effort. To start with, as soon as you enter the house, you will see a totally functional shoe rack here, which has good storage space, and you can also sit here and wear your shoes. And the next thing is this partition here. This is super classy, and I love the ply finish over here. So guys, my personal favorite in this hall is the fans and the lights. And just look at this urban chandelier. It just looks so pretty and syncs so well with the interiors. And do not forget to check out the fan. This is the first time I'm seeing this wooden fan. It adds so much boho vibe to this place, and I just love this smart idea. And coming back to this is the storage space. So here also you have abundance of storage. You can use it as a bookshelf or keep the home decor items, and it's also a closed storage for other storage items. And this is also one of my favorite aspects. So with this remote, you can control the curtains. This is completely motorized curtains, so you can easily draw them in and out. So guys, next is the work from home space here. So post pandemic, we all wanted that one nook in the house where we can focus and work from home. So this room is specially designed for this, keeping in mind that if you have more than 2 people who wants to work from home, this desk is aligned in that way. So it has nice drawers and good storage space to keep your work stuff. And I just love the fact the table height and everything is as per the ergonomics, and I just love this work from home space. So guys, I'm in the guest room, and this room is a little small. So keeping in mind the space of the room, they have designed the storage cupboard so strategically that they use slide doors. You can slide in and slide out, and trust me guys, this cupboard has so much storage space for your clothes. And they also finish this room storage by also having an open cupboard. So this is a very, very cool way to use the space in this room. So guys, I'm in the master bedroom, and this bedroom also has a work from home space. And also they have a study lamp here, so in case if your partner is sleeping in the night, and you can quietly sit here and work. And next I'm going to show you the storage space. And here also they use a smart idea of using the slide doors, and this also has an abundance of storage for your clothes. Next I'm going to take you to the walk-in closet. So guys, this is the best part of this room, which is a walk-in closet. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So guys, this nook has designed with keeping in so many elements in mind. They have this huge shelf which you can hang your long clothes in it. They have a space for hangers, and this is an open space. And you also have a closed and secure wardrobes here, and these drawers can accommodate like a lot of clothes for you. Trust me, I just love it at the way they've designed this place.